This is my first time ever being at Aquatica, so I haven't watched any videos or anything. I'm coming in completely blind. I'm so excited. It's such a refreshing feeling to come into a fresh theme park because I go to them all the time and I just haven't been to this one. Tessie's underwater twist was by far the most unique water slide I've ever been on. With the projection screens, seeing the ads and seeing all that, I was thinking to myself, I know water slides go by really quick. So I was kind of like, are you really going to be able to see anything? Sure enough, your raft starts to slow down and you can really see everything that's going on. It's a wild, wild ride.
I came all the way to the back of the park to make sure I didn't miss any slides, and unfortunately this one is closed, so on to the next.
So it almost seems like a scarcity of floats because pretty much you're waiting in line for a float. And it's taking a while.
So there's a few different options, a few different colors on this one. I'm limited in time, so I'm just gonna keep rolling. And if I have time, I'm gonna come back and do the other ones.
So I'm glad I didn't go too far because this one looks absolutely incredible and I almost missed it going all the way to the other side of the park. This looks good.
I'm just now realizing how stinking close this is to SeaWorld. I mean, that's literally Journey to Atlantis right there.
You're going backwards. Wow, that was awesome. I didn't even realize until I got up there that there's no single riders because the raft's so big. Luckily, these kind folks allowed me to be on their raft with them. That was awesome. The drop, the climb, the drop, everything about that one was totally epic.
Here's one of the entrances to the lazy river, Rose Rapids. This is a huge lounge area, just on the sand. You can lay out, sunbathe, whatever you want to do. I'm not a sunbather, but you have the option. Here's a smaller slide for the little ones. And now that I'm a dad, I'm sure I'll be here in just a few short years.
Now for what seems to be the most intense slide here at the park.
go. Oh my word, those are crazy. I did that green, that the drop fell out, and then I just came back up and did the first one. Oh my gosh. Every time I do those, it's like, I'm just not ready. Until it drops, I'm like, yeah, I guess I wasn't ready for this at all.
Gotta go with blue. I definitely got last. Next racer, Riptide Race. Grab my own floaty. Let's go. All right, let's go. Back race. So I just did Riptide Race. If you're in the front or if you're going by yourself, you have to go in the front. Keep your legs tight. Every time I do a bump, the heels of my feet would go bah, slam on the bottom. I'm like, ow. So something to be mindful of. Wasn't super comfortable. Man, I just put the elbows out. Oh, I got one left. Reef plunge. So the reef plunge was okay. The idea is really cool. but when you're in there, it's really kind of hard to see anything. So it's a cool idea. It's all right. I'm actually on my way out. I feel like there are so many things I didn't get to experience. The park is closing soon, so I'm heading out. It was a really cool trip for my first time ever being here. I'm gonna have to come back and get all the other experiences that they have to offer. I didn't get a chance to eat any of the food, but it was a really fun trip, especially some of the thrills and their newest attraction with the screens and everything. It was a really cool idea. It's a really fun park. I am heading out. I really do appreciate you guys always watching my videos, and if you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in the future on the channel. Thanks for watching.